Hi everyone! In this episode, we capture the sights and wonderful sounds of the Leicester market. After cutting through the mall with bustling shoppers, we visit the butcher and then Skype with the kids.
Hi, we're Robin and Chris, and we're leaving crazy. We're in the process of moving to our retirement home in Italy with our cat Gino, and the process has proved to be a challenge during the pandemic. Join us as we leave crazy behind and start making our way to Italy.
Good morning. Let's go see what Chris is doing.
Hi.
Morning.
Hi.
Yeah.
Coffee's ready.
Nice. Let me just see this ugly ball.
Oh, that's too quarter-like.
Oh God. Ugly tennis feather ball thing. Here. You need to pick up these toys. Cheetah.
Right now I'm just watching a spot on the COVID-19 Tier 4 that's probably going to go into effect on Boxing Day in some areas of England.
Okay, we're going out in the rain. Oh my God. It's raining. Look. Look at her go. Snow bunny. Hee-hee! Okay. Yep.
Here we go.
Woohoo! Yep. Here she goes. Go, girl. Come on.
Fast. Pretend you're on a mission. Fast. Good job. This is so fun. Got your mask up, put your nose up. Okay, we're gonna just turn the corner from our house. There's the TGI Fridays right there that's closed. This way, underneath.
Okay.
See TGI Fridays. The corner of our building, but it's closed.
Yep. It's December 23rd morning. And people are Christmas shopping. We are grocery shopping. There she goes. She knows where she's going. No mask at all. Oh, she's holding her face shield. She just forgot to put it on. Right here. Oh my God. Yeah. All right. You used your Apple Pay like a big girl. How was that?
It's fun.
You faced your
Dangerous.
fears.
Dangerous.
It's scary. It's like, what the hell? Do I hover? Do I tap? We're in the Leicester City Center shopping mall.
High Cross.
High Cross. And look at,
Which is attached to our apartment
yes it is.
on the opposite side of the building.
Go over there, they're not wearing masks at all. There you go. Yeah, pass them. No masks at all. No mask at all. Can you believe that? Oh yeah. There we go. Even here. She knows exactly where she's going. I have no clue. This is High Street?
I think so. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. And then the butcher's right over here, and the market.
Gotcha.
You notice Five Guys.
Oh yeah.
Here's the butcher. Yeah, that one's
That one's good.
Thank you. No, that's all. Thank you. Okay.
One moment.
Would you like us to wait outside?
No, right here's
Okay.
Oh, he's getting it over there.
Okay. Thank you.
You taking the skin off?
Yes. Skin and bone. These are the pigs in a blanket. Very popular here.
That I wonder. Oh, oxtail. To the Leicester Market. Look at the beautiful colors.
Material.
Yeah. That apple I had last night was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I had them.
Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Lovely. I'm getting some vegetables. This lady here is helping us. If they're hard, I don't know that we eat them. Not much. Is that all mine?
Yes.
Wow.
This is my favorite restaurant in town. The Case.
Oh, the case.
It's up there. You sit up and you look out.
Oh, the candy shop.
Gonna get some sweets, my sister.
We dropped off our packages at home and headed out again.
You delivering? Okay.
Someone can.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. This way. All right. Deliveroo. Woohoo! Going out on my second grocery run. Hey, do you miss having a car?
No.
I know, right? I haven't really missed it yet.
No.
We live right above this climbers place. It's kind of cool. So it's 2 days before Christmas, and
I'm gonna go in here. I want to see where we're going.
okay.
So there's like 6 entrances to the mall, which is like right over here
Yeah.
to us. And we don't know where we are when we're in there, except the one way we went the first day. So we're gonna go navigate a new way, which is right down this road next to our house.
So we're doing a little recon. Okay. It's a drizzly day here in Leicester.
Absolutely fabulous.
All right, you think you got enough groceries here?
Yeah.
Right? Getting her little grocery cart ready there. She's ready to bag, man. I got a compliment on this t-shirt. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah.
Caught my chin on my zipper.
Here's our building right up there.
I haven't done that since I was about 10.
That's good.